What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Me and You by Lil Peep. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 4th fret. It's only using 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord you need to know is going to be G major. It's 3-2-0-0-3-3. Middle finger on the low E on the 3rd fret, index finger on the 2nd fret of the A, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B, pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the E. And now your ring and your pinky finger are going to stay in the exact same places through the rest of these chords. All you're doing for your next chord is this version of a D. You're just going to the 2nd fret on the low E with your index finger and the 2nd fret on the G string with your middle finger. Then you're going to go to this version of an E minor, which you just bring your fingers into the 2 inside strings there. 2nd fret with your index finger on the A string, 2nd fret with your D on the D string with your middle finger. And then finally this version of a C, middle finger goes to the 3rd fret of the A and your index finger goes to the 2nd fret of the D. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's just going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up throughout all the chords. It looks like this. Down, 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 up, 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 down. But guys, that's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.